Okay guys, this is part 2 of the blizzards test. These are the 98 customs that I converted, and on this second test I am going to be shooting the 4-gram breaker balls and see how much FPS do we get out of those. I don't have the stand right now, so pardon if I'm moving around too much, but I do apologize. So let me get this turned on real quick, because I wasn't gonna run this test today, but I decided, you know what, let's just run it, one shot deal. So it is gassed up, and again, as I mentioned before, this CO2 has about 3 to 4 mags already ran through it. So you know, if it's not powerful, I will be running more tests just in case, just to see. But for right now, this is the test that we're running. Let me just move this way so we can get the FPS. Okay, move back a little bit. Okay. Safety off. Okay, it did not read that one. I have no idea why. That's the first one. 266. 265. 258. 255. And that's it. Okay. So let me put this down right here. So we're getting roughly, I would say, about 255, because it went up and down. So I'm going to use the 255 as the average. And here are the red rye balls. One of them did penetrate, as you can see right here. It went all the way in. Let me see if I can get it out of it. There we go. It's right here. Right there. So that's the video, part 2 of the blizzards with the red rye balls. Again, it's shooting at around 255 FPS. I don't know if it's due to the, like I said, the CO2 has been used a lot. So I don't know if it's that it's, it's already almost gone. The air is almost gone. But I will do some more tests with full, and I will record them with full, with a full CO2, brand new. Again, these rye balls are 4 grams a piece, shooting at 255. I'm going to use 255 just in case, because it fluctuates. I'm going to use the middle one. So that's today's 4th video. Like I said, I broke them into pieces because, it is what it is. So have yourselves a good day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.